My grandmother, she told me, baby, go and break the world record in mathematics. Easy, man. So this question right here come from the sister right here, one of our beautiful sister. Her name is Wandiswa. So she say, yo, hey, can you please help me? So I was like, well, oh yes, I can help you. You can see it right there. She said, please help me. So I told her, wait, my man, I'm gonna help you right now, okay? So it's very, very important we help our sisters, okay, so they can prosper, so they can shine and do way better, okay, as far as success. Now let's, because nobody know, maybe this question, or this type of question, they might bring a lot of impacts in her education journey, okay, in her thinking process. You can see right here, say, yo, can you guys please me? Now let's go to the actual question for one day. So now one day's a look, she's gonna be surprised, like, wow, let's do this, okay? So now before we get started, one look, you see here you have a loan of a function. Oh, that's function, loan of a function, or lean or loan, or whatever you can call it. So now look, if you have a loan of a function and somebody say derivative, means derivative all of this. So what I would do, whenever you have a loan of a function, take your function derivative right on top, right over whatever you have here. If you have a loan of whatever derivative function, that's what put function the right example. So now if somebody give, let's say, loan x, let's say power 4, let's say derivative. So what I'm going to do is say, well, I need to look anything in front of the loan and derivate that. So when you derivate x power 4, it's going to be 4x cubed and then over exactly what you have, x power 4. And 3x are gone and 3x are gone. And this is going to be 4 over x. So you need to know that before we start to solve our question. Easy, man. Easy. Yes. Okay, so now let's go to the question. And hey, look, if you FaceTime, man, leave a comment so I know, oh wow, there are people who want to watch this type of video, right? So I can continue to make this type of video, very, very important. So now if somebody give you this question right here, they say solve. So the reason why I show you what I show you, because I see there's a loan here. So I'm going to say function derivative, because I derivative this, so I must put derivative equal derivative the first one, which is 14, and then we derivative the second one. What is the second one? Is ln of x and then over x plus 5. Good. So what we're gonna do, this is a constant term. So when you derivative constant term, you're gonna get equal to 0. So we're gonna say f equal to 0 plus. Now, so now for this case here, we're gonna take all our function and derivative right on top. So what is a function? We say derivative our function. What is a function? Is x, anything in front of the loan. That's how you derivative loan, like I'll show you just now, okay? X plus 5. And then we over everything the way how it is, which is x and then x plus 5, and then we over. So now what we need to do, just derivative what you have there, and that's gonna be the end of the business. And that's what students have a problem from there. That's when like the fire spark, like boom, my god, it's getting tough, but it's easy. Let me show you how we can do that. So now I'm going to say, remember this is a quotient rule. When you derivative as a quotient, like how would you derivative quotient? Quotient will say, if you have f over g, it's same as say, if you have f over g, it's the same as say, put the denominator constant and then derivative the top one, and then you minus, because quotient means division, and then now you switch, you say, okay, numerator constant, and then you differentiate the denominator, and then you square the denominator. You square the denominator. Okay, that's how you do. Okay, that's a quotient rule. So we do the same tricks here. Okay, that's a quotient formula. Oh, okay. My grandmother, she told me, baby, just go and conquer the world. Okay, just make sure you bring impacts into, be a problem solver. Okay, so now we say for this case here, I'll say, well, so this is denominator, because I have to differentiate this. So denominator constant, this is denominator. I'll say, okay, x plus 5 constant, and then we differentiate the numerator, means differentiate the numerator. When you say dash means differentiate and then with minus, this means differentiate and then with minus. Or if you don't want to write there, you can write or you can write like this. Let me write like this. Or you can just put dash. Or you can say like, oh man, I don't know the method. You know, some people like them. I'll say differentiate the numerator and then with minus. Now numerator is going to be constant and then you differentiate the denominator, which is x plus 5, and then we over the denominator square, which is x plus 5, and then you square here. Okay, and then all this stuff, remember, we must over that, so it must be here at the bottom. So let me write our line, and then this could be x, and then over plus 5 root. Okay, you see that? Let me see if it's visible first. Oh yeah, we can see it. So now for that case, let me move my calculator to the left so I can have enough space. Okay, or we can move to the right. Okay, so for that being said, we're gonna say, okay, so this same is say, okay, when you differentiate x, is gonna give you 1. See, this is gonna give you 1. So, or I can just move right there, so I can make a space. When you differentiate x, is gonna give you 1. But for you in exam means move to the next page. But here, because of my space is too small, and I'm trying to say when you differentiate x, is gonna give you 1. And when you differentiate that one, it's gonna give us look, when you differentiate, it's gonna give you 1 over 2 x plus 5. You don't know how to do that one, you let me know. So now I'm gonna replace this, okay, with, but for you, if you're in exam, make sure you do as an x, okay. So this is gonna give us 1 over 2, and this is gonna give us x plus 5. Yes, okay. So for that case, now what we're gonna do, remember this is like x plus 1 times 1. Anything times 1 is that thing, so I don't have to say times 1. I can just say that, okay. It's times 1, but I can just say this is over 1, and here we have a minus. So I can find the common denominator of this and that. So what is the common denominator of those two? Okay, so we know from the 4th grade, my 4th grade teacher told me we can simply cross multiplication, take this, multiply with that, and multiply with that, and these two multiply to find the common denominator. So I'm going to say this and that is going to give us 2, and then this and that are the same, like it's going to give us x plus 5. Okay, now you go 1 times that. 1 times is going to give us just x, and then we over same thing, which is going to be I forgot. Sorry. Denominator constant. Remember that, right? Denominator constant. Look here. Denominator constant. Our g must be constant. Just this, and then if you square, this is going to be just x plus 5. I'm sorry about that. For the root. Okay. So now we're going to have, and here will be simply x. Okay. Wait. Sorry. My apology. What I'm trying to do right now, I skip something. Okay. We say this and this is going to give us 2x plus 5, and this is going to give us just 1 times x times 1 equals 1. Our common denominator is going to be 1, this, which is going to be 2. I skip something. I was like, my God, that's what I'm doing. And then we over this, because we solve this and that, and then we over this. But this and this is gonna cancel. Okay, it's gonna cancel because to the denominator square, which is going to be x plus 5. Okay, and then all this stuff be over. So I can simply say over, because of the space, so I can write down over x plus 5. Okay, so for that case, I think I can simply erase, so we can have some places, we can have some space. Oh my God, you see, we can't see there. I wrote actual head of it, so I must say, okay, so this one right here I can write, let's see this, let's do this. I know how to put, look, I can say over, let me use the red pen, and then we over this stuff is what is x over. Okay, so stuff like that, you can do this. I hope now it is very clear and is very visible. Oh yes, I could even write underneath, no problem, because it's just gonna be now. Or if you don't want to write like that because of space, you can write under, it's no problem. let's write right there. I thought with the space line, of course, every time I want to make sure that I write only right spot. So just this, and then this stuff that we can over what? X plus 5, and then we overload. Okay, so now then what we're gonna do now, we can just simply finish up. Okay, so we're gonna say now, I can simply erase this because I don't need this, right? Okay, I don't need this. Okay, so we can just simply continue where we at. My grandmother told me, baby, don't cause no drama, baby. Okay, just gonna solve this mathematics easy. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I'm trying to erase. Sometimes it can just act out this stuff, it takes a little second. Come on, erase. I'm erasing. Okay. Oh, I see. If you use a lot of energy, it just becomes tightened. So you need to go very soft. Oh, I see the tricky. Sorry about that. So what we're gonna do right there, we're gonna say, okay, let's just continue here. This equal to, okay, let's deal with this 2 here. Let's do with this. So what I'm gonna do, look, if you have, let's say, C over D over M, let's say C over D over M, like here you see, let's say this C, D, and this M, because you have 3 fractions. This is gonna come here mathematically. So it's like, say, C, D, M. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for these 3. So I'll simply say equal. Okay, this stuff is going to come here. So, and this one on top, I can say we got 2x, and this is going to be 10 plus 10 minus x over these monster are going to come here. So we're going to say we got 2, and we got x plus 5 because it just came here, and then we still have our root, which is this one right here, x plus 5. See, now it's getting little by little. Okay, remove this equal sign. Okay, I don't need this equal sign. Okay, and then all this stuff here we over what we have, which is x, and then the x plus 5. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, look, I can simply cancel this and I can cancel that. Okay, I can cancel these 2. So then I have a 2x. Okay, so then we say right here, okay, so what we're gonna do, look here, I'm gonna cancel this and then I'll cancel that. Let me just cancel the brackets. So let's write what we're left with. So what we're left with on top is, look, x minus x equal to x. Look, 2x minus x equal to x, and then we're left with plus 10 over, okay, over 2 x plus 5, x plus 5. That's what we left on top in this one. It means all this group, and then we over the one at the bottom. The one at the bottom just what? Just say x. But remember, if you have a 3 fraction, look, like I say, if you have, let's say, a over b and then over c, these are gonna come right here. So for that case now, we're gonna say this x is gonna come right here. So it's gonna be x plus 10 over 2x. 2x is gonna come here. It's gonna come in this group here because it's gonna come here. It's gonna be x plus 10, then 2x, x plus 5. So now we say our final answer for this case is equal to 10 and then over. Look, it's very, very important for you to leave a comment. There's a people that are who watching this video. Okay, so that one right there. So that's the answer. Let's come in. If we have an answer, if it's not, then we can simplify 5. Okay, so quickly, if I check carefully, and then I know C is the right option. So my grandmother told me, go and break the record in mathematics. So now we know for that case, then this is going to be our answer here, right here. This is the answer because exactly correct or exactly the same with that. So option C is the correct answer. Look, you FaceTime, make sure you share this video. Do not keep it to yourself. Okay, they say knowledge is the power, right? So even though you gain this power, right, you get this knowledge, mathematical, I mean the way how to solve this question. Don't just keep to yourself. Share with other people. You know, I hope you learn from me. You learn how to do things. You know, for that you say easy, man, easy. Wandiswa, I hope I answered your question, right? So for that being said, man, if you have any question, Wandiswa who she posed this question, say she needs some help, please let me know. See, let me know. Okay. Otherwise, I hope you learn from me. For that being said, peace and I'm out. Okay. Peace. Easy. I'll see you soon. You know, this question here, like I say, to remind me the time of me and my grandmother. She said, baby, you have to go and break the world record in mathematics. Easy, man. Peace and I'm out. I'll see you soon. Peace and mathematics. My grandmother told me, baby, go and break the world record in mathematics. Easy. Easy. We done. We out here. Bye. My grandmother, she told me, go and break the world record in mathematics. Easy. Listen, we have a very special question from a very special student, okay? So this letter right here, her name is Wandiswa. Wandiswa all the way come from South Africa, right? She said, yo, help me with this question. So you know what? It's very, very important. We help the sister, right? So they can prosper and do way better and do excellent, because you never know. This question might cause a lot of positive impacts in her career, okay? Or in whatever she does, or it can increase her thinking process. That's why we have to solve this question, because my grandmother told me, go and solve mathematics